everyone, I am Suganti Yogalingam from University Sultan Azlan. Today I would like to present about chapter 4 Ethical and Social Issues in Information System from Subject Management Information System with code KOM 6033. Okay. Uh, I would like to explain more detailedly about subtopic 4.1, what ethical, social and political issues are raised by information system. Okay. Uh, inform- an information system is a combination of hardware, software, infrastructure and trained personnel organized to facilitate planning, control, coordination, and decision making in an organization. Information technology has both dark and bright sides. At one end, IT has revolutionized our life, especially it eased the doing of business. With the use of IT, businesses are able to increase sales and profit and at a wide reach of potential customers. But on the another hand, IT has given birth to the different issues which can ultimately result in crime. Okay, uh, social, politic, and ethical issues. Uh, Main uh, ethical, social, and politic issues raised and information systems are information right obligation, accountability and control, system quality, quality of life, property rights, and obligation. Okay. Okay, before I explain these five main issues, let me explain what the meaning of ethical. Ethics is principle of doing right or wrong uh, actions, uh, actions by individual. Okay, assume individuals are acting as a free moral agents to make choice to guide their behavior. Information technology creates ethical issues because IT changes distribution of decision-making rights, power, and other resources. Example, IT make it possible for millions of people to download video files, weakening the exclusive right of movie studios to control distribution of their own profit. Information technology creates ethical issues because IT creates new opportunity to commit crimes. Example, email create the condition for expensive uh, or online con games designed defraud ordinary citizens. The model of thinking about ethical, social, and politic issues illustrates the dynamic connecting ethical, social, politic issues. Identify the model dimension uh, of the information societies cross individual, social, and politic lives of action. Okay. Uh, These are the five moral dimensions of information age. Okay, information rights and obligation about ourselves and the organization. Okay, property rights and the obligation is protection of intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights means uh, pro- mm, product that owned by individual by using their intelligence. Uh, the Next, accountability and control means who will be held accountable if harm is done. System quality is standards of data and system quality. Quality of life is preservation of values and culture. Okay, next part of four, subtopic 4.1 is key technology trend that rise ethical issues. Okay, changes in technology have some obvious positive consequence, but also create some potential or actual negativity consequence. Uh, Computing power doubles every 18 months. Depends on computer system increase, and it will become more cost effective to process massive accounts of personal information. Uh, Next, rapidly declining data storage cost. It means lowers the cost of creating huge national databases composed of private information, uh, and lower the cost of storing and using illegal music files. Okay. Next is advances in data analysis uh, techniques. Advances in data analyze uh, techniques for large pools enables companies and the government agencies to find out highly detailed personal information about the individual. Okay, these advanced in data analyze techniques are divided in two parts. First, profiling means combining data from multiple sources to uh, create the detailed information of the individuals. Next, non-obvious relationship awareness (NORA), in short form NORA, is combining data from multiple sources to find obscure hidden connection that might help identify criminals and terrorists. Uh, it also includes tracking of the individual cell phones. Okay, that's from subtopic 4.1. Thank you very much.